Hi friends, it's Miss C. Today we're going to do an activity and we're going to be using a little styrofoam ball because remember our study that we're talking about right now is about balls. And also what we're going to be doing with the ball is we're going to roll it and see where it rolls and bounces on the letters of the alphabet. So Mrs.C drew the letters of the alphabet and I put them on a piece of paper for our board and we're going to do our activity. But before we do our activity, let's say the letters. So let's start with the first letter of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Z, the last letter of the alphabet. So that's all the letters of the alphabet on my board, my paper that I'm using for a board. So now I'm going to take the letters off. And I'm going to put them on the side for a minute. And I have my piece of paper for my board. So now I'm going to mix all the letters up. And this time I'm going to put them on the paper facing down. So I don't know what letters are where. I'm going to put them on my paper. So remember, I don't know what letter is underneath. Not yet. Okay. So I have the letters on my paper. And now I'm going to roll the ball. First, I'm going to bounce the ball. Let's bounce it. Who thinks it's going to bounce or roll right away? Let's see what happens. It bounced a little bit, right? So it bounced and it rolled. So it rolled and it stopped almost on that one. So it's the closest to that one. So I'm going to turn this one over and see what letter we have. Oh, the letter H. So while Miss C is thinking of a word that starts with the letter H, maybe you could be thinking of a word too. H. House. Okay, I'm going to put this one over there, and I'm going to bounce the ball again and see where it holds and bounces and rolls. That time it landed almost on this one, pretty much close to it, so I'm going to turn this one over. And it's the letter Z. So who could think of a word while Miss C is thinking of a word? Z. Zebra. Okay. This time I'm not going to bounce the ball. This time I'm just going to roll the ball and see if it goes far or if it lands right on the square. Let's see what happens. That rolled far. So I'm going to roll it again. Only going to push it a little bit. And where is it going to stop? Oh, it's rolling over too. Sometimes it rolls more than others. Okay. Well, it came back and it's landing by the orange one, almost right on top of it, but it landed next to it. So now I'm going to turn this one over, and it's the letter E. And who could think of a word that starts with the letter E? I'm thinking elephant. Okay. Do you think Mrs.C should bounce it again, or should I roll it? Let's try to bounce it this time. So it stopped close to the yellow and the orange one, but let's turn this one over and see what's there. W. Letter W. What is the sound? Wagon. Okay. All right, friends, let's try one more time. This time, Mrs.C is going to roll the ball. Well, rolled off our board. That's okay. We'll try again. Oh, almost right on the orange square. Okay, let's see. Letter C. Like for Miss C. And C, cat. Can you think of a word that starts with the letter C, friends? Take that off. I'll take off all my letters on my board. So friends, remember what I said. I use a piece of paper, like for the board, for this activity, and I cut out squares, different color construction paper, and I wrote the letters on them. So if you want to try this activity, put the squares and then roll the ball, or you can bounce the ball, and whatever letter that it lands on or next to, you could think of a word with the letter that you landed on, what the word starts with. Hope you like this activities, friends. Bye.